Have you ever heard of an explosion so massive, it flattened an entire forest, yet left no hole? No bombs, no war, just a mysterious blast in the middle of nowhere. This is the true story of the Tunguska Event, one of the greatest mysteries in modern history. It was June 30, 1908, in the remote wilderness of Siberia, Russia. The sun had barely risen when a blinding streak of light cut across the sky. Witnesses, hundreds of kilometers away, saw what looked like a ball of fire, racing toward the earth. Then, it happened. A deafening explosion ripped through the air. The shockwave knocked people to the ground, shattered windows, and was even felt in towns more than 600 kilometers away. At the epicenter, deep inside the Tunguska region, the blast was devastating. Over 80 million trees were flattened, all pointing outward from the center, like blades of grass blown by an invisible wind. An area of nearly 2,000 square kilometers was destroyed in an instant, bigger than the size of London. Strangely, there were no signs of an impact crater. No giant hole in the ground. Just scorched earth, and silence. For years, no one could reach the site. Tunguska was one of the most isolated places on Earth, filled with swamps, forests, and biting insects. It wasn't until 1927, nearly 20 years later, that a Russian scientist, Leonid Kulik, led the first expedition. What they found only deepened the mystery. Trees lying in the same direction, scorched on one side. Burned ground where nothing grew. But still, no crater. Scientists now believe the Tunguska event was caused by a space object, a meteor or comet about 50 to 60 meters wide, exploding in the atmosphere. As it entered Earth's sky at incredible speed, the air in front of it heated up and compressed. The pressure became so extreme that the object exploded 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground, releasing energy equal to 15 million tons of TNT, about 1,000 times stronger than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Some think it was a comet made mostly of ice, which completely vaporized, explaining why no debris was ever found. Others believe it was a stony asteroid that shattered before touching the Earth. Even today, the Tunguska event remains one of the largest explosions in recorded history, and a chilling reminder of the power of space. If it had happened over a city instead of the Siberian wilderness, millions of lives would have been lost. The mystery of Tunguska still fascinates scientists, historians, and mystery seekers around the world. Was it a comet, a meteor, or something we still don't understand? One thing is certain. On that summer morning in 1908, the Earth had a close call, and we may not be so lucky next time.